Okay, end of the job. Still a little bit of cellulose in the air, but that'll settle. And I've just got this tiny little bit to finish off here, so just going to finish this off, and then we're done. The good thing about cellulose is it's easy on the installer. I've only been in here for about an hour and a half, whereas if it was a batt job you'd have two guys in here for 2 hours or 3 hours, depending on how fast they work. And this is a particularly easy job to get through, this one, whereas some of them with batts are near impossible. So I'll just finish off this bit. Because it's a bit of a risk. I've been in roofs where it's 83 degrees Celsius and literally come out of the roof with burns on the skin from baking in the roof. So the less time you're in here, the better job you can be assured of, because the workers aren't working so hard. I'll just turn that off. Just blow that out. Bring the hose out. We're all done. And I'll just use the air that's coming out to clean us around the manhole. Don't know whether you can see that, but that's how easy the cellulose job is. Yeah. Yeah, some people worry about their wiring, but any electrician worth his salt can find that wire there, I'm sure, and then just give it a flick and it comes out of the cellulose right the way up the roof. So you can find exactly where to take it. Whereas that can't be said for batts, because very often batt installers, even though they say we put the batts underneath the wires, bottom line if the wires are hard to get to, or they run through beams or that, they're just going to put them over the top of the wires and not do anything extra that they don't need to do, because it is a really hot job and dangerous work. And so yeah. Alright, well, I hope that's been helpful to you. I'll get out and tell the customer that their job's done.